ける心に戸惑いや影が降りかかっても突き進むことをやめないで望みを捨てればそれ以上進めない深く沈めば高く飛べるから戸惑うことを恐れないで I will never give up whenever no matter what happens I wish I would catch my dream cause my own just my precious life誰にも譲れない思い描いた夢が必ず待ってる
Extracting the power from every drop of fuel. The history of Yanmar is a history of technology ahead of its time. Yanmar was born from the passionate desire of our founder, Magokichi Yamaoka, to free farmers from their toil. In an era when diesel engines were large and heavy, Magokichi set out to develop models that were smaller and lighter than any before. Developing the new engine was a seemingly endless round of dead ends, frustration, and failure. But on the morning of December 23, 1933, the world's first commercially viable small diesel engine, the HB model, finally roared to life. Since that day, Yanmar has been dedicated to developing engines to meet the challenges faced by its customers. Today, Yanmar's advanced technology and products are contributing to society in a wide range of areas, including food production, daily living, and harnessing power. Facing up to challenges together with our customers, using advanced technology and the capabilities of the whole Yanmar group. That's Yanmar Solutioneering. That spirit continues to this day and is spreading across the globe. Solutioneering for people's lives. Brazil, South America. Manaus, a bustling metropolis deep in northern Brazil, has flourished on the banks of the Amazon River as a major fishing and distribution center. Passenger ferries are an indispensable part of daily life in this region. And Crystal One, a long-distance, high-speed river ferry powered by Yanmar engines, is an important source of transport for many. Mero is a Manaus Yanmar dealer. He spends long hours with his customers, collecting information that helps him understand their transport needs.
É atendê-lo ele de acordo com a sua necessidade e que ele fique satisfeito conosco, com o nosso produto. É juntar as forças e ir mais para frente, prosperar, progredir, vencer.
By maintaining a close rapport with customers, Yanmar supports people's lives. The circle of Yanmar Solutioneering is expanding across Brazil. Kagoshima, Japan. The Sakurajima ferry linking Kagoshima and the island of Sakurajima is vital for transport and tourism. The ferry runs 24/7 with 166 departures daily for the 15-minute journey. Sakurajima Maru is the latest addition to the ferry fleet. Electric power supplied by Yanmar generators drives an electric propulsion system and supplies all onboard power.
電気自動車と同じぐらい、何も感じないというぐらい静かですよ、在来線よりは。あら、もう船が出たんですかとかよく聞かれます。
その電気の力によって、駆動していきますので、当然環境に優しいで時代にマッチしたものである。利用者方々には今後ともですね、桜島丸を愛していただきたいと思っております。
The electric drive Sakurajima Maru is the result of eco-friendly solutioneering. This quiet powerhouse is helping to enrich daily life in Kagoshima.